Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about abstract classes in Java. Abstract is a keyword in Java and that can be used to create abstract classes. To create one abstract class, first you have the abstract keyword, then the class, and then the name of the class. And the abstract class can contain normal method or it can contain abstract methods. A class must be declared as abstract if it contains at least one abstract method. So the abstract classes may or may not contain abstract method. But if it contains at least one abstract method, then the class must be declared as an abstract class. And one property of abstract class is we cannot instantiate or create object of the abstract class. So because we cannot create object of the abstract class, so that abstract class must be inherited to one child class. So we can create one class B and extend the class A, and it is the responsibility of the child class to provide definition to the abstract method of the parent class. If the child class does not provide definition to the abstract method of the parent class, then the child class also has to be declared as an abstract class. So in this example program we have one class A. Now to make that class as an abstract class, we have to use the abstract keyword. So I'm gonna write abstract class A, and this way we can create the class A as an abstract class. Now because this is one abstract class, we cannot create object of that abstract class. So this class must be inherited to some child class. So I'm gonna write class B extends A. And now inside the main method I can create object of that class B, and I can use that object and call the display method of that abstract class. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program. And you can see the output, the string abstract class has been printed onto the console. So in Java we can use the abstract keyword to create one abstract class, and because the abstract class is opposite of final, so this class must be inherited to one child class, and then we can use the object of the child class and we can call the methods of the abstract class. So hope you understand the concept of abstract class in Java. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.